Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
For vaginal examination for examining the Bartholin glands. Bartholin gland examination is contraindicated in virgin females. First, bladder should be emptied before examining. Full bladder will push the anterior vaginal wall and it obstruct the view. Non-dominant hand will stretch the vulval area. Technique for palpating the Bartholin gland. An index finger of the dominant hand is introduced inside the posterolateral wall of the vagina and it compresses the gland between the thumb and the index finger. So this is and thus by this way you can palpate the Bartholin gland.
thank you and thank you for watching.